a cool feature with the Crown Vic that I thought was crazy unique. Not crazy neat, unique, but it definitely shows the air of the car. Is each door arm had a little tray here with an ashtray and a cigarette lighter. Well, I went ahead and wired in a USB Type A, Type C charger where the cigarette lighter was. So now the back seat has a charging port. One downfall is they're powered all the time. So at some point I might have to track down the wiring for that and put them on a relay that is triggered from the key. But I think they're only like 5 volt, so pretty low power consumption. But it might pose a problem in the future. So we shall see.